We're going to go over question 6 from the study guide. So this question asks us to use this velocity time graph to find for A, the acceleration from 3 to 5 seconds, and then for B, how far does it go from 3 to 5 seconds. So number one tip for the test is always check what kind of graph you are working with before you start answering. So you're working with a velocity graph, it's labeled right here. So we want to make sure we're using the rules and everything for velocity graphs. So to find acceleration on a velocity graph, you are going to use slope to do that, which is rise over run. And then from 3 to 5 seconds, that's this line right here. So our rise goes from 10 up to 20, so your rise is a positive 10. And that goes from 3 to 5 seconds, so that would be a 2-second difference. So divide that by 2 seconds, and then when you divide that out, you get 5, and then it's meters per second, or simply written as meters per second squared for acceleration. Okay, so that is how you solve for A. For B, we are looking for how far does it go from 3 to 5 seconds. So again, we have a velocity graph, so we're going to use area. So then for this, we want between the x-axis, which is down here, and our line. So we're going to get a box out of this and a triangle, okay? And you're going to find them separately and then add them together. So for the box is just length times width. So that has a width from 3 to 5, which is 2. So it's 2 seconds wide, times its height the box's height goes from 0 up to 10. So it has a height of 10 meters per second. The seconds cancel out. When you multiply, you're going to get 2 times 10 equals 20 meters for the box. And then we're going to add on the area of the triangle, which is going to be 1/2 times its width is still 2 seconds. It's the same. Times its height goes from 10 up to 20. So it also has a height of 10 meters per second. So then your seconds cancel out. So 1/2 times 2 times 10 is going to equal 10 meters. All right. Then your last step is to add those two together. So 10 plus 20 equals 30 meters. Okay. So again, always remember to check what kind of graph you have before you start solving the problems. Acceleration to find on a velocity graph, you're going to use slope. To find out how far it goes on a velocity graph, you're going to use area. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions.